In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a private server on Roblox PlayStation 5. Now, this process is a little bit complicated, and that is mainly because there is not an official supported way to make a private server, but there are still like a workaround that we can go ahead and do, and it's relatively easy, but it will take up a little bit of time. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you actually want to create two Roblox accounts, and the way it works is that we're going to be using our mobile device to actually host the private server, and then we're going to add that account that we're using on our mobile device as a friend on the PlayStation 5. And then from there, we actually are able to go ahead and join them. All right, so let me go ahead and just walk you through it a little bit. So here I am on my mobile device, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and find the game where you want to go ahead and create a private server. So let's go ahead and work with the game Ball Blade right over here. So let's go ahead and look up Ball. All right, and then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just keep on scrolling down until you see servers, just like so. And then from here, you guys will actually have the option to create a private server from here. You guys could give it a name as well. So yeah, depending on the Roblox game, you may need to go ahead and pay Robux, so please keep that in mind. But basically, you can go ahead and do that and just create a private server. And then on the PlayStation 5, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button that says Add Friend, and then you just want to go ahead and press on Triangle. And then from here, you want to go ahead and type in the username of your other Roblox account. And then after you went ahead and added your other Roblox account, then you should be able to see them whenever they are online. And then you can go ahead and actually join them. So yeah, guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.